Hey everybody, well, it has arrived, my box of author copies of the book. I'm really excited to open this up. So let's see what we've got in here. Woo! Oh my god, so many hours of work. Let's see. This is legitimately the first time I've opened this. Alright, oh, came out great. Love the mat. This is our new book, An Introduction to Real-Time Computing for Mechanical Engineers, a lab-based approach. We put a lot of work into this. My co-authors Joe Garbini, Cameron Devine, and I. We did a lot of work on this, and I think it came out really well. So yeah, it's available from MIT Press. Check it out. Let's see, I'm just gonna look here. They say that when you open up your book for the first time, you see a typo instantly, so I hope that doesn't happen. But yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, the graphics came out really nice, and the print quality is great. You can see these QR codes on here that take you to the companion website. Yeah, super excited. So yeah, I might do some more videos about this. I haven't been posting much, so yeah, most of what I've been doing is writing this book. Anyways, thanks for unboxing the books with me. Take care.